Hi everyone, I'm here with this new wooden gate latch that I got. I'm going to replace the one you see behind me there with this one here. So I'm going to show you how to install it and how it operates. All right everyone, I want to show you what I all have here. Here are the parts. Comes with all the screws, all the parts that you need. It also comes with these gloves that I guess you could wear if you wanted to while installing. So we're going to go ahead and get going. Alright, so one of the first things I'm going to do here is drill my holes for the screws. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up here, but I just wanted to walk you step by step on what I'm doing. Alright, so I have 2 of 6 holes drilled. I'm just starting with 2. I want everything to be lined up before I start installing all the screws drilled in all the holes. So I have that there. I'm going to install the other piece, and then once I get done with that, I'll complete drilling the rest of the holes for this gate latch. So I'm back, and here I've just determined where this piece needs to go. Next I'm going to drill the necessary holes to install that part, and then we'll be done. All right everyone, I'm nearing completion here. I just have a few more screws to put in here and there, but just want to show you the final result as I finish up here. Everything's done for the most part. Lift down on latches, push the door shut, latches perfectly. So I had everything perfectly lined up. Go around to the other side. The handle here, lift up, and it unlocks the gate. So you can see there, and then as I pull the gate shut, it's gonna latch right in place. So this was super easy to install. It's a great gate latch, easy to use, quick installation, which is a plus. I'm gonna go ahead and finish installing the rest of the screws here now that everything's lined up perfectly, and I think you will enjoy this gate latch as much as I have been. Thanks again for watching my video.